How are we all doing? I just wanted to thank everyone for their nice comments on the push TV. It's not 100%, but I'm going to put a UHF tuner into it and bring it into the house and give it a run on the skybox for a week or two and see if there's any developments with it. I think there might be, but we'll see anyway. The ML Valiants, the TV 161s, they're a good set. They work well. They were the backbone of many TV shops' rental trade in their day, and you don't see too many of them around now, although I have a few of them floating around here. I have 3 of them. I'm just having a look at a Swan HF 700 transceiver for a friend of mine. I've been in his attic for about 30 years, so I had a few problems with the Jones power connector on the back. Well, poor contact, so I bent the pins and flew it around with it a bit. I wouldn't be a fan of it now, putting it, all those you know, such high voltages on a connector like that. But then we cleaned the changeover relay contacts because it was deaf and receiving. We cleaned the contacts, that seemed to cure that, but the driver is red plating now, so we've an issue there. So I'm not going to go any further with it today anyway, but we're making some progress with it. I got another one of these screwdrivers. I've got 3 of them now. This is the one that I got a while ago. This was the second one I got. That needed the batteries didn't perform on this one. I need to get new Nike heads for it. I was going to put in an LM or a, what am I saying? A lithium. Oh, you know the lithium cell. Well, the 36800. Or a 38600 or whatever the hell, you know what I mean. But one of the problems I realised I'd have, apart from the complications with charging it and all, although I could get a little controller and fit it in, is the screw goes through the middle. So your cell is about that long, so you can't put the screw in. Now you could cut the post off for the screw and wrap a cable tie around it, but I don't really want to do that. So I think I'll just get a Nike card for it. But this one I got, a friend of mine watched the video, gave me that one, and then another friend of mine said that video and gave me this one till we shared. And this is a slightly older one, whereas this one has the little rollers in it that automatically lock the clutch. This one doesn't, so you have to manually lock it. This one looks a little bit more stronger in its construction, because the gearbox case is actually cast aluminium, so it's a bit strong. It's not plastic, you know. And there's the lock there. You lock that in. Anyway, nothing too wild or exciting. I haven't tried to charge this yet, but I just looking at it, I don't think it's going to do it. But I'll try. Power supply. So that's it. There's nothing else wild or exciting happening here. Just thought I wanted to say thanks very much for all your nice comments. You're always welcome, and a few new subscribers along as well since. So I want to welcome you all to the channel. Nothing too wild or exciting happens here, I needn't tell you, and I don't know what I'm doing, but it doesn't matter. We have a bit of fun anyway, and that's what it's all about. It's just a bit of crack. So I hope you're all keeping well out there at the minute, and I'll catch you all again very soon. Thanks very much for watching. Good luck for now.